Now, how can you keep your bar clean and create a better living environment for your animals? All with AI. Now, meat is far from ordinary farm tool. This high-tech marvel uses a vacuum system instead of these traditional scrapers to keep the barn floors pristine, ensuring cleaner hooves and healthier cows. Now, all powered by AI, the Discovery Collector autonomously maintains this cleanliness with minimal human input. It sprays water before but also after the vacuuming to guarantee this thorough clean and enhance also the safety by improving the floor grip. This smart system adapts its cleaning schedules and can be controlled right from your smartphone, marking, I think, a monumental advance in farm management technology. Now, are you intrigued by smart farming technologies as well? Keep up with the revolution. Follow me.